Hey Harvest Hawks, this is Mrs. Banta, and I'm going to help you get started with your advisory today. We are getting ready for the launch of the 8th grade IB Community Project. Today and tomorrow in advisory, you are going to see the new rosters for your advisories, and you're going to create a folder with a link to the workbook that you'll be using to guide yourself through this project with the support of your teachers and your administrators and coaches here on campus. So first of all, you're going to go into your Google Drive. And once you're in your Drive, you're going to find that 8th grade folder that you created. In that 8th grade folder, you're going to create a new folder, and you're going to title it Community Project. Check. All right, so now you want to go into the advanced settings of that folder. So we're going to right-click on that folder and hit Share. Once you do that, you're going to click Advanced, and you want to change the access from private to anyone with the link can view. Once you've done that, you can hit Done. And the next step is to go into your Manage Back account. I'm going to log in as a student, and the lucky student is Angel Aguilar. Hi, Angel. Thanks for letting me use your login. Remember, your login for Manage Back is capital HMS period and your student ID number. All right, so remember, this is your dashboard. It shows you your events and upcoming deadlines for all of your classes, including the community project. So you'll be seeing events and deadlines on your calendar from me on your community project assignments. So to access the document that we're going to include in that folder that you just created, we're going to go to IB Manager. And under IB Manager, you're going to select Community Project. And just like your other classes, where if you go to the overview, you can see all the links to things that teachers need you to see, like class agendas and things like that. We're going to go to the overview, and we're going to click on the HMS Community Project Workbook link. This is the workbook and process journal that will help you throughout the project. It's going to give you a lot of information about what this project is all about and tell you the steps and timeline for those requirements. All right, so we've already done this part, create a community project folder. Now we're going to take this copy of a copy, and we're going to rename it. Oops, thanks for your patience. We're going to rename it with your last name and first name in front of the title. So, Banta, comma, Mrs. Okay, and now that that's done, you're going to move this document into your community project folder. Now you can do this way by clicking on this gray folder here and finding your community project folder in your Drive. So you would click Move this item. You would go to your Drive, and it's going to open up all of your folders when you click on that little arrow. And you just find the one that you labeled 8th grade and community project. And you want to click Move here, Move. Okay? The other way to do that is if you click on File and Move To, it takes you through a similar process. Okay, so now that you've moved this document into your community project folder, check. You want to complete the Google form linked here to share this folder with me, Mrs. Banta, and your new advisory teacher, the one that you'll start seeing on Wednesday. So you click on that link. It takes you to a form that you fill out with your name, last name, your new advisory teacher, and you'll know this by the rosters that your teachers will share with you. You will include a link to your community project folder. So that means that you have to go back to your drive, right-click on your project folder, get shareable link, okay? Go back to your community project folder form, paste in that link there, and also paste in a link to your community project process journal. So you go back to your process journal, click share, copy the link, go back to the form, paste it in there, and then hit submit. That way, your teacher, as well as myself, will have access to those links in case we need to comment on any of your project progress, or if you want us to look at something, we will have access to those links. All right, so 8th graders, it's super exciting times ahead. We are moving into the land of that 8th grade community project, this culminating project for 8th graders at IB World Schools, and you'll be hearing more about this on Wednesday, the 16th, when we start these new advisory classes. Thank you for your patience, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Have a good one.